Hi there, my name is Tamitha Barbeau, and I'm here to talk to you about my family's tradition of making tourtière pie. Tourtière pie is a spiced meat pie made with a mixture of beef and pork, onions and potato, which is baked in a pie pastry crust. Tourtière pie is a dish served by French-Canadian families as part of celebrating Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve. Tourtière pie originated within the province of Quebec and was called Tourtière du Lac Saint-Jean, which translates to tourtière from the Lac Saint-Jean region of Quebec. In the late 19th and 20th centuries, immigrants from Quebec introduced this dish to American states bordering Canada, including Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, and New York. My family name, Barbeau, is French. My family is from the northern parts of New York, mainly Champlain, Massena, and Plattsburgh, which is far from New York City. Eating tourtière pie has been a Christmas Eve tradition since I was a baby. My mother wanted to make sure her kids remembered and celebrated their French-Canadian ancestry. Since it spread from Quebec, there are now several variations of this iconic dish, but it typically includes spiced meat and potatoes, and the meat included depends on what is regionally and seasonally available. In coastal areas, it could include fish, such as salmon, whereas in inland areas, it can include beef, pork, rabbit, or venison. Whether or not you are French-Canadian, tourtière pie is a delicious dish to enjoy on a chilly winter's day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my family's tourtière pie from wild deer and pig that was locally harvested.